Let me say it loud for the folks in the back. The AI boom, the return of American manufacturing, our digital everything economy, none of it runs on vibes. It runs on electrons. And right now, America doesn't have enough. We need 450 gigawatts of new generation capacity in less than 5 years. That's like trying to power 11 Floridas overnight. So let me break this down. You're trying to shove a fire hose worth of power through a garden hose. And that's our grid right now. And here's the kicker. If we blow this moment, we don't just lose the global AI race, we lose jobs, we lose manufacturing, and we lose our shot at energy independence, relying on overseas oil yet again for another couple of decades, sending our children's children to war. That's not just bad policy, that's economic. Now, this is not a time to play energy favorites, solar and wind. They can't carry the load alone. Battery, they're a bridge, not a backbone. And nuclear, yeah, best case mid-2030s. I hear it all. What does America need? We need all of it. Natural gas, nuclear, renewables, grid, scale, storage. We need every tool in the toolbox, and we need them right now. But what's Congress doing? They're talking about gutting the clean energy tax credits. That's like slamming the brakes on the only construction site that's still pouring concrete. At American Energy Fund, where I lead, we're not waiting around. We're providing natural gas power. We're providing microgrid systems. We've got the guts to run into the storm to protect America's entrepreneurial spirit. We're not loyal to one singular fuel. We're loyal to cheap, reliable American energy. Now let's talk money. These tax credits, they don't fatten utility profits. They flow straight to families and businesses through lower energy bills. So kill these credits overnight. You're not just killing projects, you're killing jobs. You're cutting off electrons that are much needed right now and sending prices straight to the moon. Over $1 trillion in American energy investment is hanging in the thread right now. If Congress yanks the rug on those projects, dead on arrival. The Senate version of the energy bill, at least they get it. It phases credits out slowly, giving builders a chance to finish what they've already started. That's how you grow capacity without detonating electricity prices for everybody. Now listen up. This is our Hoover Dam moment. Our interstate highway system moment, a generational opportunity that modernizes the grid, unleashes capital, and secures American energy's dominance. We've got the tech, we've got the talent, we just need the will. So let's quit with this ideology energy wars. Democrats love solar, so that's why Republicans hate solar, and Republicans love dirty oil, and because Democrats are clean, they hate oil. Let's get serious, guys, about building. Because when America decides to build planes, highways, semiconductors, skyscrapers, we don't come in second. We're the best, and we're not gonna start coming in second now. Let's light this place up. And if you like what I've said today, comment below if you think that we're actually gonna be able to pull this off. Make sure you subscribe for more energy and finance talk on my next show.